Driving in Albania is crazy. Everyone drives like amazing. Made it to Berat. Now we need to find a hotel. Look at me. Now we're going up this way. Look at this view. Fireplace, bed, bathroom in the corner. We just arrived. We drove from Tirana. It's 6 o'clock. Parked up our car. We're gonna go explore and find some dinner. We just finished dinner at Lily's homemade Albanian food. Wait, we're going the wrong way. Okay, so you have to turn up. You have to message him on WhatsApp, and he will message you or call you.
He will give you the night of your life.
Best dinner experience I've ever had. He is such an amazing guy.
But I talk strong this time, okay? Okay, let's go now. Feel.
He just runs the whole restaurant, and
But he's a character.
his wife makes the food, and you sit on a table with like loads of people, and then at the end he has shots with you. He kept pouring shots at the end. You can't say no to Lily. Bye guys. See you.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Best dinner experience I've ever had. Hands down. Hands down. Wow. Okay. Look at this place. There's a castle up there. We're gonna go there tomorrow. That was incredible. That was incredible. I loved that so much. Okay, we're going back to our hotel. There's a little cat next to me. Guys, we are having the best time in Berat. This morning we woke up and we had breakfast up on the terrace here at the hotel. We're staying at the Hotel Villa Alexander, which has breakfast included. We then wandered down to the town for a little coffee and just walking around, seeing what we find. It's very warm today, so we've come back to the hotel just to chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna trek up to the castle. It's very hot. Up we go, walking up to the castle. It is very hot today.
And steep.
This is very steep. We made it. We're in the castle, in the old castle. I'm standing in the ruins of the old red mosque. This place is amazing. Feels like I'm in like Assassin's Creed or Baldur's Gate or something. It's incredible. We just absolutely love Berat. Look at this incredible church. Thank you for joining us as we explored Berat. This place is amazing. We absolutely loved it. Yeah, you definitely need to come here if you come to Albania. Again, this is just some inspiration for when you come here. We had such an amazing time at that restaurant last night. We are obsessed with that man, Lily. He is our favorite person. Try and get a reservation there. It's so worth it. But again, there's a million restaurants in this whole town. So look at kind of the areas that we've been in the old town and opposite the river, and just, yeah, find something else. I'm sure that you'll stumble across something equally as amazing. So yeah, please make sure to like this video. Please make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. And also leave a little comment. If you've been to Berat before, if there was anything we missed, let us know in the comments. And then in the future, whoever's clicking on this video can just make sure they save it on their Google Maps as well. Okay, we're going off to the next place, which is equally as awesome. So I'm excited to make another video.